two types of people in this world. There's people with theme park etiquette and these guys.
I'm a scat. Take me. I was in the... Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Alright, listen. Stop. Move away. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Yeah, I'm under.
Let's talk about how not to be the villain in somebody else's vacation. This is your guide to theme park etiquette at Universal Orlando.
I watch cops on scene, and so the last thing I want to see is you getting arrested at Universal. And so let's avoid being YouTube famous and let's have a great time at Universal. Unless you want to be famous, in which case I can't stop you.
Let's start with the golden rule. Be nice to team members. Team members are operating rides, directing crowds, serving churros, all while staying polite to you in the middle of the July soup that is summer here in Orlando, while knowing there's a thunderstorm rolling in at 3:07 p.m. and everyone is about to be soaked.
The Universal team members try to make sure that you have everything you need to have a successful, memorable, stupendous Universal Orlando vacation. A simple thank you goes a long way. Seriously, this might be the nicest thing that they hear all day. And if a ride goes down or something breaks, don't yell, don't scream, don't give the team members grief. We know it's frustrating for you, and honestly, they know it's frustrating for you, but they have the double trouble of they have to fix the darn thing.
Theme park etiquette rule number dose. You may agree with this, you might not. Wait for your whole group before you get in line. Let's head to Hagrid's and talk about it. We've seen it before, and I'm sure we'll see it again.
Hey, my friends, they're just up there.
And then you frogger your way past 14 different people and make everyone, even yourself, feel a little awkward. Just don't. Wait for your group. Get in line together.
By waiting for your whole group, you avoid that awkward conversation. Hey, is that guy, is he actually going to his family, or is he really just like cutting me in line? What's he doing? Grab a drink, grab a butterbeer, grab a snack, or heck, act like Captain America over in Marvel Superhero Island and assemble your Avengers before going into the ride queue.
We understand. Stuff happens. People have to step out of line. People don't want to ride the ride. People gotta use the restroom. It does happen. However, if you can prevent it, you can help make your vacation and somebody else's vacation that much better and less awkward. Let's be real. Be a line leader, not a line cutter.
Tensions at a theme park can be high. People have spent a lot of money on this Universal Orlando vacation, and it might be the only trip they have planned for the entire year. Compounded by the fact that it's hot, you're dehydrated, you're tired. Just wearing your patient pants can be exceptionally important while at Universal.
If you're getting anything out of this video, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out, and share your theme park etiquette that you think people need to be aware of in the comments. Let's head over to River Adventure to talk about rule number 3. I love a good POV video as much as the next person. But if Universal says, don't film on the ride, don't film on the ride. If you're riding this and your phone falls off while you're filming at that drop, you've officially donated to the dinosaurs of Jurassic Park. Congratulations! You broke the rules, you're not getting your phone back, and now you've probably just wasted another $1,000 on your trip buying a new iPhone or Android.
And if you take a video on a dark ride or HHN with a flash, straight to jail. Straight to jail.
I know you're just trying to capture the memories of your vacation, but you're not the only one here that wants to enjoy their time too. If Universal says don't film on the rides, don't film in the houses, turn off your flash, listen to them. It makes your experience and everyone else's that much better.
I will admit, I don't understand why people do it. It gets views.
I do find the irony in talking about this while we're filming the video, but at the same point, we're not filming on the rides. We're not.
This next rule I am an expert in with the big camera backpack, whole 9 yards, and it will help you get on the ride faster and also make it a much more pleasant experience for everyone around you. It's a Spinosaurus. 4 is to be prepared for metal detectors. We've all been there. You're breezing through the queues and then suddenly it slams on the brakes because someone forgot the big mandatory sign that says lock your stuff up, and they tried to bring a backpack, battery bank, cell phone, big camera, and 3 churros for some reason onto the ride.
Universal's done a fantastic job at providing lockers for your use when you're going on rides with metal detectors. If you're riding Velocicoaster, Hulk, Rip Ride Rocket, or Stardust Racers, you're gonna need to lock your things up before you go through those metal detectors so that you don't, well, hit anybody underneath you. It's for safety reasons, and again, so you're not donating your phone to the Mosasaurus. So, if you're going through any of the rides with a metal detector, make sure there's nothing on your head, nothing in your pockets, nothing hidden anywhere. Make sure it's locked up. And if you have questions on how to use lockers, the paid version or the free version, let us know. We're happy to help you.
This last and final rule, in my opinion, is hands down the most important rule that we have when visiting Universal.
Our final rule for proper theme park etiquette when coming to Universal Orlando is to be kind to others. You never know who you might run into at the parks. In fact, everyone's really just here to have a good time, so you might as well make the most of it. Give space, give grace, and just maybe smile at a stranger during your day.
That family with the stroller, they're not trying to hit your ankles. That group of kids, they're just excited. That elderly couple moving so slow through the queue, they're just trying to relive being a kid again. Theme park etiquette is not about being perfect. It's about being thoughtful. Be the type of person that makes somebody's day easier, not harder.
You agree with it? Put it in the comments, let us know. And if you got anything out of this video, please subscribe to our channel. As we've said, it really does help us out. And stay tuned for more Universal Orlando content. Thanks for watching. Bye!